In this video, we're going to continue topic 5.2, and we're going to find the critical numbers for f of x equals negative 2/3 x cubed plus 3x squared plus 56x. So to find critical numbers, we simply set the derivative equal to 0. Set derivative equal to 0. And then we solve it. So the first thing we have to do, the calculus we need to do, is take a derivative. So f prime of x equals... So we're going to keep our negative 2/3. Remember, our 3 is going to get thrown out front. So 3x, we're going to subtract 1, which is squared. Plus, we're going to keep our 3 out in front. We're going to take the 2 and move it to the front. So 2x, subtract 1 to the first. And then the derivative of 56x would just be 56. I'm going to spend a line simplifying this a little bit. The 3's get canceled there. So I really have negative 2x squared plus 6x plus 56. Now, we've got a quadratic. We know in order to solve a quadratic, or actually to solve to figure out critical numbers, we have to set that derivative equal to 0. Now, we've got a quadratic, so I am going to use my quadratic techniques. The first thing I do is look for the greatest common factor. Instead of factoring it out, because this is an equation, I'm going to divide every term by it, which is really the same thing. So I'm going to divide every term by that negative 2, and that's going to give me x squared minus 3x minus 28 equals 0. Now, we've got a trinomial. We know when we've got a trinomial, we need to get out our magic x. I know it's been a while since we've done one of those, but I know you all know how to do it. So we need two numbers that multiply to negative 28. That doesn't work. And add to negative 3. So that would be negative 7 and 4. Then we write it as x minus 7 times x plus 4 equals 0. Then you ask yourself, what property do we apply? Of course, we apply the zero product property, so that means we set each one of those individually to 0. We're going to add the 7, and we're going to subtract the 4. So these right here are your critical numbers.